we're gonna do this exercise on the floor. And I'm just grabbing an object that I can put on my belly button so that you can see my belly rising and then going back down. So I'm gonna come to 5 with my fingers, and I'm gonna relax, which is easier laying down because of gravity. I'm not gonna raise my shoulders or anything like that. I need to relax my chest, make sure that I don't go like this or anything like that, but that everything happens here, all right? So I'm gonna relax, get rid of the air that I have in, and start counting. One more time. Okay, make sure that you're breathing through the mouth, not through the nose, okay? Even though we're not doing necessarily anything, we're not singing, but keep breathing through the mouth, all right? One more time. Release the air that you have in and breathe. All right, I hope this helps. And remember, like I told you, we don't breathe through the diaphragm. We engage everything, the breathing system, engage everything in it by relaxing our core, okay? The diaphragm is gonna do its job regardless. It's doing its job right now, okay? Because every time that I inhale or exhale, the diaphragm goes up and down, helping the lungs to expand and then push that air out. But it is important to know that if we relax our belly, that we help that process so that we can get more air in. All right? I hope this helps, and I'll see you soon.